Welcome to the sun-drenched plains of Africa, where the cheetah rules a blur of lightning speed.
Meet the Acinonyx jubatus, the fastest land animal.
Its slender frame and long legs are built for one purpose: chasing down prey. 80 to 98 kilometers per hour, that's its top speed.
It's evolved for velocity, lightweight, aerodynamic, and relentless.
Agility is its secret weapon.
It stalks, accelerates, and pounces a symphony of precision. So next time you venture into the wild, remember the cheetah a sprinter, a survivor, and a marvel. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.